Alright, water actually looks pretty nice here. There's a weed line. I see little bluegills in the weeds here. So, I think there's something to bite in here. I guess we'll find out. Cast number one. I guarantee you there's bass in this lake that are gonna eat. From what it says that there's pike and muskie in here as well. And I find that hard to believe. It's possible. But I know there's bass in here. So maybe we'll see if we get lucky. Ooh, I just had a bass eat right away, dude. Alright, so first cast bass, baby. That's awesome. That's awesome, dude. I'm glad I came here. That didn't take long. One cast, one fish. Let's go. Let's get him, dude. It's not a bad bass either. First cast bass, can't complain about that, man. That's all I gotta say. This first cast bass. Alright, so I'm glad I came to this lake today. That was awesome. Let's get him. Bass number one. It's a decent sized bass. Nothing special, but nothing to cry about, that's for sure. Alright. Mission success, I guess, huh?